Charlie, you look at that camera, I'm gonna look at this camera.
No, we never look at that camera. That's the thing.
Never look at,
No,
never?
Never.
Oh man, you should have told me that.
It doesn't exist.
Now all I'm gonna do is like, huh? The entire intro is just this.
What's going on, you guys? Charlie and Daelen here from MAPerformance, coming to you with a long overdue product release video. Today, we're talking all about this revision 2 to the Honda, not a Honda part, to the Evo X heat shield. Apparently the first one wasn't good enough, so we made some changes. Daelen, I'll let you tell us all about what we did.
The main issue was that we made it and it was for a Honda and it didn't fit. So we had to redo it to make it fit a Mitsubishi Evolution 10. So we made this product a long time ago, so probably at this point, 6 or 7 years ago. And we tried to make the best product we could at the time, and that made it very, very, very large and difficult to install. The goal was to cover as much of the firewall as possible. For anyone that has one of these cars, you've seen that some of the years have a factory like little piece of tin that goes in there that does very little. In fact, I think it actually starts things on fire more. But then the ABS module is right in the corner behind the turbo, and the actual firewall has some kind of padding, like foam padding that's back there that just, it's supposed to be heat insulation, but unfortunately just another piece that starts on fire.
It's more like fire starter than anything.
Yeah, it's like kindling.
Yeah.
And your family screaming, "Oh my God, we're burning alive! No, I can't feel my legs!"
We made the product and we thought we had the most comprehensive one on the market. We were really happy with it. And it sold well, but unfortunately customers were just not super pumped on how to install it. It was actually fairly complex to install. It was a big single piece unit. And although it did its job very, very well, the install just absolutely sucked. So the revision 2, the main focus was it needed to cover everything we didn't want to start on fire, and it needed to be easy to install. That's what you see in front of us. So it's going to ship, this one right now is assembled as one single piece, but it's going to ship as 2 pieces. These 4 bolts right here are going to assemble the unit into a single piece. So depending on what setup you have, either a factory turbo with factory style manifold, big T4 V-band kit, and anything in between, you're gonna have a different option to install it. So we're able to install it in our factory turbo car as one piece like this. We leave these a little bit loose, slides right in. The bigger turbo cars, you can assemble it in the car, so you'd install this piece and then install this piece. So this is all done by very simple hand tools. It's very, very quick. Obviously, now that I say that, we're gonna have the one guy out there that buys one comment on the video about how horrible it was to install with his weird turbo kit that we've never seen, but we did our best. So it's gonna be 304 stainless, so it's gonna take a long time to get soaked with heat. It's also gonna stand up to the elements, so obviously it's in the engine bay, it's gonna see water, it's gonna see, if you drive in the winter, you're gonna see salt and everything. It won't corrode up and look all crusty.
So the next part of this is we're gonna go ahead and actually get Tiny to go ahead and slap this on the Evo X that we've been building on the channel. If you guys haven't seen any of that, we'll maybe link to some of that up somewhere around one of these directions. And let's jump on over there and go ahead and get this thing installed in the Evo X. All right, you guys, so if you have a stock turbo and a relatively standard manifold, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is assemble the 2 pieces outside the car. As you can see, Tiny's going ahead and threading everything here, getting everything nice and snug so he can go ahead and fit it in. However, if you have a big turbo kit or some crazy custom manifold, you're gonna wanna go ahead and assemble each piece inside the engine bay. Once you have it assembled, the next thing you wanna do is remove the factory heat shield. Now, this probably wrinkled up piece of tin can get tossed away or recycled appropriately.
Oh, my back hurts.
Once you get it fit into place over the studs in your firewall, you're gonna wanna go ahead and tighten the hardware that is supplied with our kit. As you can see, there's a really easy one to access right up top, one down below, and then you're set. All right, you guys, so there you have it. As of right now, if you're watching this video, then this Evo X heat shield is available for purchase. You go ahead and check out the link in the description. It'll take you straight to our website where you can go ahead and order one. To everybody who got in on the pre-release email for this, you probably already know that it's available. So hopefully there's still some of them left for those of you who didn't opt in for that choice. Nonetheless.
And if there isn't, you learn to opt in next time.
Yeah, next time now you know that you got to give us your email, because then you'll know as soon as it's available. So do it. I strongly encourage it. Nonetheless, guys, if you enjoy this type of content from us, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos just like this one. Leave us a big old thumbs up because it does help our channel out a ton. And if you guys are looking forward to getting this product, or you have any kind of comments or concerns about this product for your Evo 10, let us know in the comments down below. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.